Okay, here we go. Got a Matt. Got Josh on a chair. Here we go.
I'll go right after you.
Oh! Now it's Miguel's turn. That was cool, dude.
That's crazy. It's kind of hard.
Oh no. That was sick, dude. Like, shot.
That was awesome. Off the chair. No, that's gonna hurt. I'll just go this way. We'll try actual back.
Here we go. Oh! You okay? You okay?
That was crazy. Oh my gosh!
That was awesome,
Alright,
dude.
let's try the running wall.
Oh! Does that hurt, dude? That looks like it hurt. Wow, dude.
I got one more.
Go, Miguel. Oh, God, dude.
Oh, my shoulder.
Wow.
I'm done. I'm done. No, it shit me out.
You're both lame.
Welcome to real trash. Fuck your shoulder. My shoulder's broken. Rashawn, head level. Can't believe I got that. You should do the and my head snapped. The running and flipping. You should do the run and flip one. Oh. Professionals only. That one hurt.
I kind of want to run and hit the wall and fall.
With the camera?
Yeah, with the camera. No, that'd kind of break it probably. But go. Take it down. Let me see if I can do that. Woo! Come on, Mike.
I don't do it.
It's all good. Do the backflip thing off the chair.
I can't do a backflip. What's going to hit my face?
It's done?
Yeah.
We done?
Yeah.
We're done.